All right, good morning. Happy Friday. It's time for circle time. Let's take a look at our calendar. We're sitting quietly. And today is the 19th day of February. Tomorrow is the 20th day. Sunday is the 21st. And we'll be back here on Monday. We have no school on Wednesday. Let's go ahead and sing our days of the week so I can figure out what today is. There we go. Big sound. Days of the week. Oh my, that's very loud. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Let's sing it. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Clap them again. Once more. Your turn. I can't hear you. There we go. Days of the week. 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 Sweet. All right, and today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. And let's see, we're looking at our pattern. Remember, we have our heart and our groundhog. So let's start back here on the 14th, and let's say the pattern together. Are you ready? Say it with me. Groundhog, heart. I can't hear you. Groundhog, heart. Groundhog, heart. Let's start again. Ready? Let's start back here. Say it with me. Groundhog, heart. Groundhog, heart. Groundhog, heart. Groundhog. Any idea what's going to be on Sunday? What's after groundhog? Eli, eyes up here. What's after groundhog? Heart. Good job. Here we go. Oh, let's take a look. We predicted snow today, and that was dead on. It was snowy today. Snowy and rainy and icy. It's all the things. What about tomorrow? Let's put in our prediction square. What kind of weather are we going to have? Rain tomorrow.
It's icy out there.
It is icy out there. We have to be very careful. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet together, singing it. Let me hear those big voices. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count 15. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, counting backwards from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast! All right, looking for some colors. What color is disgust? Green. What color is my school bus? Yellow. What color is sadness? Blue. You want to go across and just check and make sure it's okay. All right, looking at shapes. What shape is blue? The triangle. What is it? Let me hear you. What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is the green shape? Big voices. Oval. Let me hear you. Oval. What shape is the black shape? Rectangle. Big voices. Rectangle. Awesome. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The The mouse ran up the clock struck 1, down the mouse ran, dickory, dickory, dock. All right, friends, we're working on the letter E. E is the beginning of eggs. Who's that? Elsa. E is the beginning of Elastigirl and elephant. There's Elastigirl. She's going fast on her motorcycle. What's her name? Elastigirl. Good job. What letter does she start with? E. What are these down here? Elephants. See if my elephants work. See if like that one goes directly in. We're going to sing about where we start our letters. Hands already up. Do you start your letters at the top? Reach it up. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Here we go. Or do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, going down? Shake it in the middle.
It's the middle.
Up high. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Oz. Reach up. Way up. It's at the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Spacing. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top?
You do it.
If you want to start a letter, then you better count out. Start it at the top. There we go. Down. Shake it.
Middle.
Top.
There's the top.
All right. How's it on your bottom? We're going to go ahead and make the letter E. E says, Let's start off with our big line. And it goes over Mr. Matt's smiling face. No! Under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Yes. Grab our little line and put it at the top. Because we always start at the top. And when we're making this at home, this is exactly the language we do when we're practicing writing. We say, big line down. And we have our jump up. We're using that language to help write. Little line goes in the middle. And that is the letter? That's the letter E? No. It's the letter F. Is that our letter this week? No. Elsa starts with the letter E. We have to put our little line at the bottom. E? Yes. Let's say it together. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. One more time, fingers at the top. Just press out the sauce on your square, please. We say big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom, or middle, excuse me, little line across the bottom. And today we are going to see who can make this while we're at center time. All right. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time. And have a wonderful weekend.